Welcome to Glitter Buzz Style, and this is the Beauty Buzz on Rescueher Day or Night Kit. Now this is a 34-piece item that features personal items, cosmetics items, anything that you need for a day or night or daily use emergency kit. And this is a perfect travel companion. It's a great gifting idea as well. So it comes in this black pouch. It has a zipper. It also comes with a cute little heart embellishment with the Rescueher logo, and also it comes with a strap, so if you wanted to rock the bag with your items in it, you can. So the Rescue Kit comes with a lot of goodies that's made for us women, and one of the items they have is fresh scent deodorant, so if you ever forget your deodorant, they have you covered. It also comes with nail glue, which would have been something I needed after breaking one of my nails. If you ever ran out of gum or mint, they also have a breath drop sugar-free mint spray. Comes with hairspray to keep your hair in check if you have any frizz. It also has a mascara, so if you forget your mascara like I've done before and you don't want to go to the store, you could just apply a quick little duo of this. Also, it comes with lip gloss, and it's the perfect shade of pink, so if you want to enhance the color you're rocking, or if you forgot your lip gloss at home, you could always add a bedazzle. It gives you eyeliner, which is perfect if you're taking your look from day into night. You can perfect your eye and have a smoky eye and be ready for dinner out with the girls or your guy. Plus it comes with an eyeshadow and contour palette, which is wonderful for you changing your eyeshadow colors. Also, if you want to perfect your contour, it comes with a brush as well for easy application, and you can't go wrong with this kit. Plus it comes with a bronzer, so if you want to add some highlights to your complexion and a glow, this is the perfect little tool. Other cool finds are elastic bands, so if you want to put your hair in a ponytail or bun. Plus it comes with bobby pins, and I don't know about you, I always buy packs and packs of bobby pins that I always lose and I never know where they are. So it's good to have like a little pouch filled with bobby pins. Also, nail file, can't go wrong with that. Plus, if you could sew something real quick, it provides you with threads and a button, plus a makeup remover wipe, and another one, so you get two. Plus you have a comb just in case you forget yours. A set of tweezers. And another item it comes with are earring backs, and this is definitely a must for any female that loses their earring backs. This is like a necessity. The kit also has its feminine products like tampons, ladies, and this is regular, so you know this is always a go-to when an unexpected leak happens. You also have pads. These are their thin ones, so this is like if you have a light day, if you don't know it's coming, boom, you have two already that's in the kit. Plus cramps, you got your Advil, and it comes with two, so you will be good to go. If you get cut, paper cuts, it comes with two band-aids, and also if you need to brush your teeth and floss and get any food out of your mouth, it comes with two flosses. Kit also comes with a BB cream in shade beige, plus it has two safety pins as well. So the Rescueher Kit is a great kit that's good for if you're a college girl, you know, if you're a mom and you want to give your daughter this as a gift so she can have, or if you're traveling and you don't want to, you know, bring so many things and you're going for a weekend, or you want to keep this in your big tote bag or in your car. It's a good little emergency kit for last minute things that you need. A swimming pool, just go to the store and just grab it. But at least you know with this kit that you could definitely have something that you need while you're on the go if you forget it at home. So the kit is $49.95 and it's definitely a necessity. Just think of if you bought each item, how much it would be, and you have it in this pouch at that price. And 34 items, and you can also put what you want in there or take out some of the stuff and add your cell phone in it so it can fit, because the stylish bag is something that you can wear for night as well, so it makes it really functionable for that girl on the go. So for more beauty and fashion buzz, ladies, you know where to find me. Always on my blog at Glitter Buzz Style.